Patna is an interesting and abnormal spot found near Deniyaya town. Patna Sliding Rock. Locally, we known as Patna Burus Gala. This fun-filled place from down south of Sri Lanka is in Patna tea estate, Deniyaya. So, this is closer to the World Heritage Site of Sinharaja Rain Forest. This site has a characteristic water slide and is a perfect spot to mess around with your loved ones. This is one of the newer destinations discovered by local travelers. Walk to Patna Sliding Rock is through some narrow roads through the tea estates. It's about 1 kilometer. But you will know it is all worth it when you finally get there. Just as you come there, you will see a long and natural stretch of rock layer which is amazingly located. You will see a panoramic view in the background with lush green hills. Also, a lot of granite stones are naturally located around the spot, and they have eroded into amazing shapes. At this location, the river flows over a number of wide rocks with gentle slopes, and at the end of each rock lies a shallow pool. Due to the gentle water flow over the smooth rock surface, number of natural water slides are created on the rock. So, when you sit on that water takes you nicely down to the slopes even without your effort. This is one of the best kind of water fun you can get in Sri Lanka. There are 2 separate huts for men and women to change the clothes. Patna is so much crowded in weekdays and also holidays. So, if you want to enjoy freely, the best days are the weekdays for fun. Also, affordable accommodation is available around the place, and those service providers can help you by guiding. Actually, it is very funny. I highly recommend this place for anyone. Also, there is another request. That is, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get more and more such traveling videos. Thank you all of you.